It's no longer news that Tesla's primary source of income is the selling of electric cars. Since 2017, Tesla's yearly output has rapidly risen. To put this in context, it took the firm 181 days to produce 50,000 Tesla cars in 2017. But in recent times, the same amount of vehicles can be manufactured in 36 days. Also, the company's most recent quarterly financial report revealed tremendous growth in its energy storage and solar businesses. Today, we'll be telling you all about Tesla's energy project and how the company plans to improve its assets through it. So watch to the end, as this video promises to be very informative. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and comment "I subscribe" to be in the next video. Tesla Energy is Tesla Inc.'s clean energy subsidiary based in Fremont, California. They develop, manufacture, sell, and install photovoltaic solar energy generation systems, battery energy storage products, and other related products and services to residential, industrial, and commercial customers. Tesla bought SolarCity in November 2016 for $2.6 billion, adding solar energy production to Tesla Energy's company. The transaction would be contentious since SolarCity was experiencing financial difficulties at the time of the acquisition. Solar panels produced by other businesses for Tesla, the Tesla Solar Roof, a solar shingle system, and the Tesla Solar Inverter are the company's current energy production products. Aside from the Powerwall, the firm also manufactures large-scale energy storage devices, known as the Powerpack and Megapack. To complement its energy hardware offerings, Tesla has created a software ecosystem. In 2020, the business will have installed 205 megawatts of solar energy systems. It ranked third in residential solar installations in the United States and 3 gigawatt-hours of battery energy storage devices. Tesla Inc. began experimenting with utilizing batteries for energy storage while developing batteries for its electric vehicle business. When Tesla started installing prototype battery packs, they eventually dubbed the Powerpack at the sites of a few industrial clients in 2012. Tesla started in November 2013, and it would construct Giga Nevada, a lithium-ion battery manufacturing facility. The Tesla Energy brand was launched on April 30th, 2015. CEO Elon Musk stated that it would apply its battery expertise to the Powerwall, a residential energy storage device. In 2015, 500 pilot units were produced and deployed at the Tesla Fremont factory. In the first quarter of 2016, the Giga Nevada plant began limited production of Powerwalls and Powerpack, utilizing battery cells manufactured everywhere. It commenced bulk output of cells in January 2017. SolarCity was established in 2006 by brothers Peter and Lyndon Rive, cousins of Tesla CEO Elon Musk. The purpose is to sell and install solar energy generating systems and other associated goods and services to residential, commercial, and industrial clients. Musk has proposed the solar business concept to the Rive brothers, and he subsequently served as SolarCity's chairman. Near June 2014, SolarCity announced plans to construct a second facility in Buffalo, New York, dubbed Giga New York, to manufacture solar cells and be 3 times the scale of the giant photovoltaic manufacturing plant in the United States. SolarCity was one of the biggest solar installation businesses in the United States by 2016, having installed solar energy systems for over 325,000 clients. On August 1st, 2016, Tesla announced acquiring SolarCity in an all-stock $2.6 billion transaction. Every solar system comes with a Powerwall, a small home battery that minimizes your dependence on the grid. It stores solar energy for use when the sun is not shining. You may add more Powerwall units to your purchase to reduce your carbon footprint even more and to prepare your house for power interruptions. Powerwall is an integrated battery system that saves your solar energy for backup protection if the grid fails. Your system detects power shortages, and you can check your solar energy in real time with the Tesla app. Set your choices for energy independence, outage prevention, or cost reduction. With remote access and immediate notifications, you can control your system from anywhere. Automatically recharges with sunshine, allowing your appliances to operate for many days. Powerwall complements a wide range of house designs and solar systems because of its simple installation and elegant appearance. The small, all-in-one design offers a variety of mounting choices for indoor and outdoor use. Tesla reported $801 million in revenue from its energy generation and storage business. This includes 3 main products: solar, its Powerwall storage device for homes and businesses, and its utility storage unit Megapack. But that is only a silver of the company's total revenue of nearly $12 billion. Despite its small size, the segment is selling more energy storage and solar. This division's revenue increased by 62% from the previous quarter and more than 116% from the same period in 2020. Tesla does not distinguish between income from solar and revenue from energy storage. More significantly, the cost of revenue for its solar and energy storage company was $781 million. This indicates that the total price of manufacturing and selling these energy storage products was lower than the revenue produced for the first time. Real deployments increased as expected. In the second quarter of 2021, Tesla deployed 1,274 megawatt-hours of energy storage, a 205% increase over a while last year. Similarly, the quantity of solar energy deployed in the second quarter of this year was 85 MWh, a 214% increase over the same period last year. When comparing Q2 2019 and Q2 2020 statistics, Tesla's total solar and energy storage installations were flat, most likely owing to the pandemic's general stopping of operations. The critical point is revenue growth. Tesla announced $369 million in income from solar and storage in 2019. In the second quarter of 2020, revenue from that business remained flat at $370 million. This quarter's revenue was more than twice what Tesla earned in the comparable periods in 2019 and 2020. Tesla never fails to mention numerous Megapack projects going online and the increasing popularity of its combined solar and Powerwall offering. The company no longer enables consumers to purchase Powerwall without first installing solar panels. One Megapack costs approximately $1.2 million before taxes, according to a configurator on Tesla's website. Tesla claims that the first deliveries will be in 2023 in certain states. However, Tesla's energy storage sector is experiencing challenges. Musk said that demand for both the Megapack and the Powerwall exceeds supply, resulting in a significant backlog. He said that the business is unable to fulfill that demand due to worldwide chip scarcity. Tesla utilizes the same semiconductors in its Powerwall as it does in its cars. Musk said that although supply is limited, vehicles remain the priority. The demand picture for the division would improve if the firm could get enough processors for its energy storage devices. As that big shortfall is relieved, we'll be able to significantly scale up Powerwall production, Musk stated during some earnings call. I believe we have a good chance of selling 1 million Powerwalls each year starting from next year, maybe 20,000 per week. Again, cell supply and semiconductors are critical as the globe moves towards more sustainable energy generation. Solar and wind are intermittent and, by definition, need battery packs to maintain a constant flow of power. When you consider all the utilities in the globe, this is a massive number of backup batteries that are required. Musk mentioned that in the long run, Tesla and other providers would need to build 1,000 to 2,000 gigawatt-hours per year to meet energy storage demand. He also noted that the firm had requested its cell suppliers to quadruple their supply by 2022, a target that Musk qualified as contingent on supply chain problems. According to Musk, its current plan is to overshoot cell supply and channel it outward to its energy storage products. Still, as with chip shortages, vehicle manufacturing would be prioritized. Most of the conversation about battery cells is centered on Tesla's in-development 4680 cells. Musk also mentioned Tesla's plan to power some of its products using cheaper lithium iron phosphate batteries. He indicated the possibility that all stationary storage would shift to nickel manganese cobalt and nickel cobalt aluminum batteries from iron-based batteries. The remaining one-third of nickel-based batteries will be utilized in its longer-range electric cars. All of its other EVs would also switch to LFP batteries, as with vehicles manufactured in China. Tesla stated in 2021 that it would only sell its popular Powerwall to clients who also bought a solar roof or solar panels. Later that year revealed that all customers who purchased a solar roof or solar panels would be forced to buy at least one Powerwall. What do you think about the Tesla Power Energy project? Do let us know in the comment section.